How's it going, Snowcastle Cats here? So I'm just cycling back from the market, the Wednesday market, and I saw these two lovely cats. Sorry, there's a lot of traffic. These two lovely cats. Look at them. They look like they're stray cats that someone's put water out for. I couldn't resist grabbing my camera and making a little video for the channel. Aren't they lovely? It looks like someone's taking care of them. As you can see, there's a little water there. Oh, sweet. Oh, someone's brought some food for them. Oh, Sabaya's just giving them some food. มีเจ้าของไหมแมวนี่มีเจ้าของไหมไม่มีเจ้าของ Oh, she said that they haven't got an owner. น้ำใจนะครับคุณมีน้ำใจน้ำใจ Yeah, she's fed them. How kind. So now I know that these are two stray cats.
หนูไล่ตัวนี้ไล่
เหรอ อ๋อ
ไปให้ต่อ
ให้น้ำด้วย
ให้วอเตอร์ด้วย
ดี How kind is she? มาทุกวันไหมครับ
ทุกวันนะบ้านฉันอยู่นี่เขามาให้เขาเพราะว่ารักเขาไม่สบายแล้วก็รักษาเขามาเนี่ยก็ทำหมันหมดแล้ว
ครับผม
เขาก็มาคอยฉันอยู่ตรงนี้
ครับ She said that she comes. I asked her, does she feed them every day? She said, yeah, she does. Her house is over there, and she said this cat on the right here isn't very well. So this is what Thai people are like. This is how kind Thai people are. So this really isn't a Snowcastle Cats video, is it? It's not a British Shorthair video. But some of you guys said, show me what Thailand's like, so I kind of have shown you how kind Thai people are, haven't I? I was surprised she came up to feed them. It's probably why they were so friendly and didn't run away, because they're obviously used to people being kind to them. Okay guys, from Snowcastle Cats here in Chatham, Thailand. Guys, I will see you in the next video, of which there will be many. Catch you later.